Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we are going to be testing a new Essence Eyeshadow Palette, and this is the Silver Glitter Show. This is one of the latest releases by Essence and you can find it in the Royal Party collection. We have 12 eyeshadows in this palette and the price of it is €7.99. In this one we have cool tone eyeshadows and you can also find it in another color story, the Pink Glitter Show. I have already tried this one. I'm going to have a card here so you can find the video easier and you can watch it after this one. The packaging of this palette is mesmerizing with this beautiful glitter floating. With this palette we also have some stickers and also a plastic sheet with the names of the eyeshadows. Share this video with a friend that likes drugstore palettes, and let's start with this one here. Where's my headband? Found it! Headband on. I'm going to start with this one here. It is like a dirty, dark, champagne, shimmery eyeshadow. I know my description is very weird. And I'm going to use this to highlight my brow bone. I think it is going to be a little bit too dark. This eyeshadow is Treasure Me and I'm going to use it with an eyeshadow brush by Essence. This eyeshadow has a beautiful sheen and it is going to be more noticeable on darker skin tones. After that we have here a muted beige pink matte eyeshadow. I want to use this as a crease color and it is called Warrior Horse. This is a very nice transition color and it is easy to blend it on the skin. I want to deepen up my crease area closer to the eyelid, so I'm going to continue with this dark brown eyeshadow. This one has a cool tone finish. I'm going to buff this in the crease area. We have some fallouts with this one. That looks super beautiful. And I didn't use a lot of this eyeshadow. Very nice shade. I'm also using a second layer of this eyeshadow. I'm very impressed with this eyeshadow. It blended super easily and it has a very nice rich color. I applied a little bit of product and I have this pigmentation. Very nice eyeshadow. Next we have this lavender taupe shimmery eyeshadow. It is called Queen of a Day and I'm going to use this on the inner eyelid. With a setting spray you can make it shinier. I'm also pressing a little bit on the wet eyeshadow and it looks like foil, but also it intensifies a lot of texture. It makes my eyes very wrinkly and it looks so weird. It doesn't look nice. Okay, so I took a clean eyeshadow brush. I will try to blend that. It's not easy to make it more natural. Let's continue with another shade. For the outer eyelid, I want to try this dark brown shimmery eyeshadow. It has some very fine gold micro glitter. This one has a little bit of kickback. Okay, it actually looks better than what I was waiting for. And you don't see the gold particles. This one is more like a satin eyeshadow. It doesn't have a very intense sheen. Oops, I made the mess. Pressing this eyeshadow, you can see the green sheen that it has, but it's not something very shiny. I want to lighten up the inner part of my eyes because it is very dark now, and I'm going to use this light beige matte eyeshadow. It is called Royal Ball. I also want to highlight the tear duct, so I'm going to take this light pink shimmery eyeshadow and I'm going to press that with a pencil brush by Morphe. This eyeshadow has a beautiful sheen. The lightest shades that we have in this palette are not so light that I can use them to highlight my eyes. They are going to work better for darker skin tones. This eyeshadow here is a dark blue matte eyeshadow. It also has some very fine silver micro glitter. It doesn't look like a completely matte eyeshadow, and I'm going to smudge this on the outer part of my lower lash line. Ooh, this is a very dark eyeshadow, but I can see that blue color a little bit. This one is going to look very nice for a dark blue smoky eye look. I can see a little bit the silver glitter on the lower lash line, but they are not very visible. You need to get into your mirror. I'm going to take this one here again, and I'm going to blend the edges of the dark eyeshadow to smooth everything out. Yeah, now it looks more wearable. This palette has a lot of darker eyeshadows, and I feel that I'm not able to make my eyes a little bit lighter, and they look very dark. Now I want to pick up this dark black matte eyeshadow. It looks perfect. Let's see how it is applied. With this one, I'm going to outline my lashes. Wow, very nice pigmentation. I used one layer and you can see the black color. I think this one is my favorite eyeshadow of the palette. It has a very nice rich color. It's not easy to find good black eyeshadows in drugstore palettes. I don't want to make this inner part darker, and I'm going to take this light golden shimmery eyeshadow. I hope that it can highlight a little bit my eyes. You need a few layers of this eyeshadow to make it more noticeable on the eyes. Next, I want to take with my fingertip this light champagne khaki eyeshadow. It is called Under My Chandelier, and I want to press it a little bit on the center of my eyelid. It makes it a little bit lighter here. This eye look turned out to be darker than what I was going to do. I'm using a black eye pencil in the waterline and also mascara on my lashes. A lot of these eyeshadows are very soft and we have some kickback in the palette. Make sure to tap the excess soft before you use them on your eyes, otherwise you're going to have some fallouts on the under eye area, and a lot of these eyeshadows are very dark. You're going to have like dark shadows. From this palette I specifically liked the matte eyeshadows. I think that they have a very nice pigmentation. I think that I can do a lot of darker smoky eye looks with this palette, especially for winter. Let me know if you want to see another eye look with this one, and also if you like the color story. Do you think that it can work for you, or do you have something similar? Let me know in the comments. You can find here the video for the pink glitter show, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!